What's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Got a 1984 Chevy Elcamino Conquista. That's the version of this one. It came in the same factory color, but it needed body work. It needed rust repair, so a few of the places was cut out with new metal welded in. Believe it or not, I believe this car is a one owner. That's a young lady in the background in a white t-shirt. It's her vehicle. Base coat, clear coat, two-tone, back factory. Would you like to be in the video?
Oh, that's okay.
Are you sure?
Okay. Appreciate it.
I already put you on the spot. You sure? Talking to the customer over there with my son and my nephew. But what I like about this vehicle right here, it went back the same original factory color. And it doesn't have the big wheels on it. Even though we like the big wheels on certain vehicles, this one proves that John's Restoration is very versatile. Everything does not have to be over the top. Everything is for everyone's choice, everyone's taste. So for everyone that likes the classic cars without the big wheels, here you go. She's gonna have new bumpers and replace some of the chrome on the vehicle as well. John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277.